BCD Tofu House is a Korean restaurant chain that serves Korean food, specializing in sundubu jjigae, a spicy soft tofu stew. The name BCD stands for Bukchangdong, a district in Seoul, Korea, where the owners-in-laws once operated a restaurant. The first BCD Tofu House opened in Koreatown, Los Angeles in 1996. The restaurant is famous for its signature sundubu jjigae, but it also offers other popular Korean comfort foods like galbi or short ribs, bulgogi, and bibimbap. The chain has since expanded to numerous locations across the United States and has even opened branches in Seoul. The BCD story starts with Hee Suk Lee, a first generation Korean immigrant who loved to cook and share with her family. Her mother in law owned a restaurant in Bukchangdong district in Korea, which BCD is named after, where Mrs. Lee gained early training in the Korean food industry.